In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image upload on Shopify product options and variants. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can let customers upload an image directly on your product page, for example, for custom prints or personalized products. First, go to your Shopify admin. On the lower left corner of the dashboard, you'll see the settings option. Click on that. Inside the settings area, look at the left-hand panel and find Metafields and Meta Objects. Go ahead and click it. From there, select Products. This is where you manage extra data fields connected to your products. At the top right of your product Metafields list, click Add Definition. We're going to create a simple switch that tells Shopify which products should show an upload button. For the name, type Requires Image. Then click on Type. In the drop-down search box, type true or false and select the true or false type from the results. This will give you a simple toggle. Once that's set, click Save near the top. Now, go back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left panel, click Products. From your product list, choose the product that has variants or options where you want to allow an image upload. Open that product, scroll down until you see the Product Metafield section. You should now see the Requires Image Metafield we just created. Click the box next to it and set it to True. This tells your theme that this product should show an image upload button once we add our code. Don't forget to click Save at the top to apply the change. Next, look again at the left-hand panel and find Online Store. Click it, and under your current theme, click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor. At the top of the theme editor, you'll usually see it set to the home page. Click that drop-down, choose Products, and then select Default Product. This makes sure we're editing the layout for your product page. On the left panel, under Product Information or Product Details, click Add Block. Use the search bar to look for Custom Liquid, and then select it. Drag and drop this new Custom Liquid block to the exact spot where you want the upload field to appear, usually somewhere near your product options. Now, double-click the Custom Liquid block to open the text area for the code. Here, you'll paste the liquid code shown in the tutorial. You can pause the video at this point so you can clearly see and copy the entire code without missing anything. Once you've pasted the code, check the live preview on the right side of the editor. You should now see a button or field that lets customers upload an image on that product page. If everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Your product page is now set up to accept image uploads based on the meta field you created.